everyone, this is Sakshi Chaturvedi and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do EXO look, which I saw on internet like 1000 times and I wanted to create it for a very long time, but I didn't had white lenses, so that look is all about white lenses. So I'll put the picture right here so that you have an idea what I'm talking about. So I think we can start the look. Let's go. So firstly, I'll tie up my hair and I am going to do a very nude makeup. So for that, I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer and I'll conceal, not just conceal, I'm applying this as a primer on my eyelids. This is going to work as a primer or as a base. So yeah. Then I'm blending it with my fingers. So I blend my foundation and everything with my fingers because I just feel very comfortable when I blend with my fingers. It's just that. So if you're comfortable with your brush or your beauty blender, that is also very fine and good. For the eye makeup, I'm using this palette. This is Lorac palette, which I got long back, and I'm using this brown shade to create my crease. So I'm going very light-handed and I'll just create a very soft crease. So it's a very nude makeup, neutral makeup basically. I'm done creating my crease and now I'm going one shade darker and I'm taking this brown shade, which is a little 1 or 2 shades darker than the previous one, and then I'm going on my outer lid and I'll just quickly blend it, and I'm not going over here, I'm just keeping it on my outer lid. That's it. And I'll just drag it outwards a little. This eye makeup is very, a daily eye makeup kind of a look. You can just do it and step out. So this eye makeup is very nude and neutral and I just love these kind of a makeup. I really do these makeups on my daily basis as well. And then I'm going another shade which is darker than the previous one. So that will be this one. And this is going to be my last shade of this eye makeup, and I'll just put it on my outer lid so that I can enhance my outer lid. And yeah, I am just depositing it up and then I'll blend it out. Okay, so that now I'm done with the eye makeup. I'll just blend out quickly everything with a clean brush. So I'm taking another brush which is clean and I'm just blending out all the harsh lines which I can see. Then I'm taking this concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer and this is in shade 15 and this is the lightest concealer which I have, and I'll cut my inner corner crease, just applying it very lightly, and then I'll just blend it out. Okay, so now that I'm done applying the concealer, I'm taking this white compact. This is from Fashion Color and this is absolutely white. I hope you can see. This is in white shade. And I'll just take it and I'll apply it wherever I have applied the concealer so that the area is all set, and it's also can be highlighted by it. So I'm just pressing it up, and when I'm going right here, I'll just try to clean my brush and just blend it with my finger or brush, whatever you are comfortable with. So I think we are done. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll go on my face. So I'm taking again the same concealer, Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'll apply it wherever I want to conceal. This is in shade 04. Wherever I want to conceal, I'll just apply it right there. So I always do my eye makeup first, then I do my face makeup. Now I'm done with the concealing part, and now I'm taking this Faces Canada foundation. This is liquid foundation in shade 031 Honey Beige, and this is liquid foundation, and yeah, I'll just shake it up And then I'm taking this sugar palette. This is in shade Subtle Summit Contour de Face palette in shade Subtle Summit. And I'm taking this blush and the contour shade, and I'm just mixing these two. Yeah, I do that. And then I dust off the excess and I'll just go over my cheekbone. Yeah, I think this much is enough, and I'll just go over a little over my forehead. Yeah, and taking the same palette, and I'll use this shade to highlight my whole face. Taking a little flat kind of a brush, and I'll dust off the excess. Now I'm taking the same highlighter and using the smallest brush which I have, and I'll highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now it's time for the eyebrows. So I'm taking Sugar Ka Arch Rival Microblade eyebrow pencil, and I'll just go over my eyebrows and I'll fill all the gaps. Okay, so my eyebrows look fine. Now I'm taking this Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact, something like this, and I'll take the puff and I'll go under my eyes, just setting it up lightly, very lightly. Okay, so now for the fun part, I am taking the same brown shade which I used on my eyes, and I'm taking it on a flat brush, and then I am just going over my face, and I'll just mark 2 lines so that I have that this is on the equal distances, because this look is very symmetrical and it should, and if this doesn't come out symmetrical, it will be a fail. So I'm making sure that it's very symmetrical. So I'll just draw a rough line. Okay, so this looks something like this, and I forgot to put my lenses on, so I'm just putting it right now. And I'm scared because I am scared of putting anything in my eyes. It's a kind of a phobia, but I'm trying to get over it. Firstly, I'll clean my hands before I put the lenses on, and I'll also clean the lenses with the liquid lens. Yeah, lens liquid. Yeah. Anyway, and I'm taking the lenses. Pray to the Lord. Okay, so my lenses are on, and I advise you to put your lenses before you do your eye makeup or any makeup. Okay, so now that I'm done with the lining thing, I'm taking these rhinestones which I got from Amazon. I'll link the product in the description box so you can check it there. Also, I got some of the loose stones which I hope you can see. These I got from a local store as in where you get, you know, your fall and everything, little accessory kind of a store. From there I have got these loose stones. So I'll be using 2 sizes. One is this a little bigger size, I hope you can see, and the other one is this 3rd size from this box which I got. So let's do. And I'm using lash glue to stick the rhinestones. So I'll take it in a plate. And I also got this rhinestone sticking pen with this box together, and I use this part to apply my glue, and this part to pick up the rhinestone and stick it. And to stick this is going to be a long process. Also, you can skip the rhinestone and you can just follow the white lines. But I just want it to be a little glammy, so I'll use the rhinestones. So I'll just apply my glue and I'll pick up my rhinestones as you can see here, and I'll just stick it right. So yeah, it's easy, but it's going to be a long process. So finally this is done and I am so tired. It took me 2 hours and also is very tight here around my mouth. I took my water break, snack break, and I'm finally did it and I'm so tired. My back hurts a lot. So let's do the rest of the makeup and let's do the shoot. For mascara, I'm using Sugar's mascara. I have curled my lashes. Also, I have a small hack for you. Before I apply my falsies, I curl them. So what happened, it just fits with my natural lashes. So there is a lot of sound must be coming. Traffic sound. So yeah. My lashes are on and they are good and tidy. I'll just fill this gap. If you can see this gap, I'll just fill this gap with the brown eyeshadow and it will be all done. Also the lashes are from Glam Vista. These are I bought from Delhi, from a local store. I don't know if you can find these lashes on Amazon, but I'll try to find it out and I'll let you know guys in the description box. For lips, I'm using this combo. This lip liner is from Swiss Beauty and this is in shade Cocoa, I think Cocoa Nude. This lip liner is in shade Cocoa Nude, and this lipstick is also from Swiss Beauty and this is in shade 09 Cute Nude. So both are like nude shades. So I line my lips first. And now I am going with this lipstick. I just love this color. This lipstick suits my skin tone so well that I wear it literally every day. I got this lipstick in a PR, by the way, and the quality of the lipstick and the liner is amazing. Very budget friendly and very good. Okay, so now I'll just go and change my outfit and then we'll do the hair and then we'll do the shoot. So that's what happened with me. Whenever I do a long shoot, I just don't get idea for my hair. That's why I try to do my hairs in the beginning. So I'll just tying up my hair in half partition because I'm tired and my brain is empty now. I cannot think of anything. I hope this will work out, or I'll just wet my hair. And yeah, and for the outfit I'm wearing this fur jacket which I wear in winters obviously, but for the shoot I'm wearing it. Okay, so my hair doesn't look that bad. It's giving the vibe of clean girl hair and I just love clean hair. Okay, so this is the final result and I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed watching my video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is sakshi_chaturvedi_. I post more looks there and I am very active there. I'm trying to be active here as well. So yeah, keep on supporting and I love you guys. Bye.